The secret to taking beautiful photos with one flash. In this video, I show you the secret to taking these beautiful photos with just one flash. We are taking photos in this lovely antique setting. It's a set with natural light coming in from a large window on the back left. First, we take a photo without a flash using only the light in the room and from the window. If we photograph with the exposure set so we can clearly see the window light and window frame, the subject becomes very dark. The light warmth is also low and the full image looks orange. So let's try using the flash. We use only the one Godox 8200 flash. First, let's aim it directly at an angle from the subject. The light is so hot that the shadows of the subject are very strong. It's not so good. Next, we bounce the 8200 off the ceiling. We make the stand taller and get it close to the ceiling. The light is a bit softer, but around the subject in there are dark shadows, and it doesn't look very pretty. I think the light from the side is better than from above. In order to make the light come from the side, we bounce the light off the left wall. We make the light a bit larger by placing the flash a bit far from the wall. We press the flash at an angle so the light doesn't hit the subject directly. The light is soft, so this is as nice as it is. The background is clear and there's a sense of realism. However, the light from the left window isn't oriented well with the flash. In order to match the light from the window, we bounce the flash off the back left wall. There's an edge light, but the light isn't hit the face, so it's become dark. To make the subject face brighter, we press a reflector board on the left front side, and we bounce the light from the back left to the subject. The light that was bounced is soft, and it's made the subject a bit brighter, but it's still too dark. We want the subject to be brighter, so we place a large reflector board on the right side and spread the light around. The light is lovely, the subject is bright, and the image has become so beautiful. There's also hair and edge lights too. The window is a bit washed out, so we move the flash that's in the back left to the back right and bounce it off the back right wall. We can see the shape of the window now, but the back right wall is too white. The direction of light doesn't match either, so the picture before looks better. We leave the light as they are, and we move the subject to the left wall this time. Because we've moved the subject, the light direction matched, and the edge lights and the light wave bounce from the reflector both hit the subject softly, creating a lovely image. Even one flash, depending on how it is used, can make a person look natural and attractive. Everyone, please give it a try.